Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make viral chocolate-covered strawberries. First, select the freshest, firmest strawberries you can find. It's crucial to wash them gently and then dry them completely. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly. Next, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite chocolate and any fun toppings you plan to use. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's melt that chocolate perfectly. You can use a double boiler for a gentle, even melt, or a microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well each time. The key is to achieve a super smooth, lump-free consistency. For that professional, shiny finish and satisfying snap, consider tempering your chocolate. This extra step truly elevates your strawberries. Time for the fun part, dipping and decorating. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently. Lift it out and let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl. Place your dipped strawberries onto a sheet of parchment paper. If you're adding sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a contrasting chocolate drizzle, do it immediately before the chocolate sets. To set your beautiful creations, place the parchment-lined tray of strawberries into the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. Once the chocolate is firm, they are ready to enjoy. For best freshness, store any leftover chocolate-covered strawberries in an airtight container in the fridge. They are a delightful treat that's surprisingly easy to make and always a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.